Hey, hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Omsi Reddy. Today we are going to discuss about fully details about infyTQ exam certificate exam or infyTQ exam. What is the use of this infyTQ exam and what is mean by infyTQ exam? These are overall things I will explain this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and still watch the end. You can get all information over the thing. Let's start. What is mean by infyTQ certification exam? infyTQ certificate exam is an internal assessment which is provided by the ETA, Department of Infosys. This is a department which is a separate department of Infosys, based on they are looking for the job purposes and exam. These overall things are handled by the ETA department. This entire exam, it is a simple thing that internal assessment for the who are the eligibilities of 2023 batch for this things. This already started in Feb 6. Starts by this today 8th or 9th. It will end up this start again. We have a chance to apply in March also. You can go through that and apply there. And next, the education criteria, which is who are eligibility for this infyTQ certificate exam, means like you are the passed out candidate, or you are in the pre-final year, like you are passing on 2023 passed out candidate from any department like B.Tech, M.Tech, MBA or MCA or BE, BCom, any type of things you department can apply for this infyTQ certificate exam. What is the use of writing the infyTQ certificate exam? Means it is directly getting a job into the Infosys with 3.5 lakhs package. It is a basic fresher who can earn the 3.5 lakh package nearly for a month. We can get 20 to 25,000 of salary. It is as a fresher, it is enough to get as a Infosys exam. So then why we choose this infyTQ certificate? Means it is a free open source platform who all the engineer students can easily write the examinations and getting their job. And let's discuss about exam pattern. For exam pattern, there is two type of sections. One is MCQ sections and one more is hands-on programming section. Like choose a programming language which you have, like Java or Python. These are the basic languages you can choose there. For section 1 MCQs, there is a 20 questions is asked. For the 20 questions, there is in 20 questions they will ask about the data structures, programming language codes, and DBMS or SQL questions. These are this overall these three topics covered in this MCQs, and there are mainly two questions they will ask about what you have chosen, like you choose a Python or you choose a Java. Based on that, they will ask two hands-on programming questions, and you can solve them, and you can easily the cutoff cutoff things for getting this qualification of assignments means 65. It is a necessary cutoff. If you cross the 65% in your exam, this first exam, you can easily move into the second round. It is very easy to move into second round. And finally, these are the things where we want to write the exam. Means it is the online mode. You can write wherever you have it, from remote only you can write. This is the things about the infyTQ exam and infyTQ certificate course program. Okay, I hope you are all understand about this, and next video I will explain about tips for getting into the infyTQ certificates. Okay friends, bye. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about exams and data science anymore. Bye bye.